trying to find a vacuum leak. So, you feel me? Once I find it, we'll go from there. So now basically waiting, trying to shoot out some smoke to see where it goes. So we're gonna smoke test and go from there. Let's see. Where could it be coming from? Breather holes from the crankcase. So, you wouldn't even notice that. See that? That's crazy. So, replace that. And yeah, man. I don't see anything else, but maybe that's just a major leak and nothing else to leak. So, I gotta fix that. Then I'll re-smoke it and then we'll go from there. So, let's get another hose and fix that.